enough. You will always find those days when it's rough, but you need to feel existent. Keep it real and be persistent. No one can win if you wake up trying to get out of your skin. You're the one you have to live with. Slow it down, don't overthink it. There are people that won't accept a no from you. There are those who won't see you as a person, just success. Don't give in if you feel that it's not right for you. Don't you do it. It's tough to play the part in somebody's show, and no, it's always no. Don't try to convince me. It's hard to face the world when words are left unheard. Wake me when it's quiet. Pushing the edge, just to give your crowd a smile on their face. There are levels of emotions, just don't let it get you over. There are people that will accept a no from you. There are thousands who see you as a person, not success. Don't give in if you feel that it's not right for you. Don't you do it. No, it's tough to play the part in somebody's show, and no, it's always no. Don't try to convince me. It's hard to face the world when words are left unheard. Wake me when it's quiet. It's tough to play the part in somebody's show, and no, it's always no. Don't try to convince me. It's hard to face the world when words are left unheard. Wake me when it's quiet.